Our next subunit here is fractions. Let's take a look at these. Everybody loves fractions, right? Favorite subject in elementary school. Continue to love it moving forward. Not so much maybe, but hopefully these videos will help ease your pain when it comes to fractions. So basically speaking, when we're talking about fractions, what's above the fraction bar is the part, and what's below it is the whole. So if we had an entire pizza, get my pen ready. So pizza time. Draw a horrible pizza here. Let's cut it into 8 pieces. I can do better than that. There, that's a little better. If we look at one of these pieces, that is our part. If we look at the entire pizza, how many pieces of pizza are in the entire pizza? There are 8. So that's what we're talking about. One piece is the part over the whole. If we had 3 slices of pizza, it'd be 3 parts over the whole. And again, official math terminology is going to tell us that we have a numerator. The numerator is what we consider the part, and the denominator is the whole. So let's look at turning some words into fractions. The month of April had 11 rainy days and 19 total days that were not rainy. What fraction of the days were rainy? So there are 11 rainy days, 19 not rainy days. What is the total number of days then? We're going to have 11 plus 19, which is going to give us 30 days in April. Remember, 30 days have September, April, June, and November. April truly does have 30 days. So what fraction of days were rainy? So we take our part, just the rainy days, and we put it over our whole, which is the total number of days in April. What fraction of days were not rainy? So 19 days were not rainy, so we'll take those 19 days and put them over our whole. So that's the basics of fractions and how we can turn our words into a fraction. So let's look at simplifying fractions. We'll start with equivalent fractions. 2 fractions are equivalent if they represent the same number. You might have a different numerator and denominator, but when it reduces down, it's still going to be the same number. So let's take a look at problem 16. Write 4/5 as an equivalent fraction with denominator 15. So we have 4/5. And it's going to equal something over 15. So what relationship does 5 and 15 have with each other? Well, they're both divisible by 5. How many 5s are in the 15? There are 3. So if there are 3 5s, then we have to have 3 4s up top. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 4 times 3, is going to be 12. And that is our equivalent fraction. So why don't you take a moment and see if you can figure out the student-led example and write 2/3 as an equivalent fraction with denominator of 12. Good luck.